हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर ॲग्री फाउंडेशन यूट्यूब चॅनल. आपण आज ॲग्रोनॉमी या सब्जेक्टपासून सुरुवात करीत आहोत. त्यामध्ये मेनली आपण क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ क्रॉप्स इन डिटेल पाहणार आहोत. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ क्रॉप दोन प्रकारचे आहेत, टॅक्झॉनॉमिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ क्रॉप आणि स्पेशल क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ क्रॉप. चला तर आपण डिटेलमध्ये पाहूयात. पहिला आहे टॅक्झॉनॉमिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द क्रॉप. त्यामध्ये टोटल 15 फॅमिलीज आहेत विथ एक्झाम्पल. चला आपण वन बाय वन बघूया. पहिला आहे ग्रामिनी, पोएसी और ग्रास फॅमिली. एक्झाम्पल्स आर सिरियल, शुगरकेन, नॅपियर, पॅराग्रास एक्सेट्रा. And second one is a Papilionaceae, Leguminosae or a pea family. Examples are the pulses, legumes, groundnut and sun hemp. Then third one is a Cruciferae or the mustard family. Examples are the mustard, radish, cabbage, cauliflower, knoll, etc. Fourth one is a Cucurbitaceae or a gourd family. Examples are all gourds, include bitter gourd, bottle gourd, cucumber, pumpkin, etc. Fifth one is a Malvaceae or the cotton family. Examples are the cotton, okra, roselle, etc. Sixth one is a Solanaceae or a brinjal family. Examples are the brinjal, tomato, potato and tobacco. Seventh one is a Tiliaceae family. Examples are jute, falsa. Eighth one is a Asteraceae or compositive family. Example आहेत sunflower, safflower आणि niger. Then ninth one is a Pseudopodaceae family. Example is are spinach, beet, sugar beet, etc. Then 10th one is a Pedaliaceae family. Example is a sesamum. Then 11 is a Euphorbiaceae family. Examples are the castor, tapioca, etc. Then 12th one is a Convolvulaceae family. Example is a sweet potato. Then 13 is a Umbellipary family. Examples are the coriander, cumin and the carrot. Then 14th one is the Alliaceae family. Examples are the onion and the garlic. And last one is the Zingiberraceae family. Examples are the ginger and the turmeric. Then we discuss the special classification of crops in detail. First one is the arable crops. Arable crops means which require the preparatory tillage with the help of the implements. Examples are the potato, tobacco, rice and the sugarcane. See this picture. This is the preparatory tillage and then growing of the plants in this field. The second one is alley crops. Alley cropping is a planting rows of trees at wide spacing with the companion crops grown in the alleyways between the rows. Alley cropping चा आपण पिक्चर बघूयात. Alley crop, this is companion crops and this rows of the trees. Companion crops are grown in between the trees. This is alley cropping. Alley crops can diversify farm income, improve crop production and provide the protection and the conservation benefit to the crops. This is the alley cropping. Examples of alley cropping are urad, potato and the turmeric. Then third one is the adjuvanting crops. Adjuvanting crops जे असे क्रॉप्स असतात की जे मेन क्रॉपचा यील्ड इन्क्रीज करण्यासाठी मदत करतात. एक्झाम्पल आहे जपनीज मस्टर्ड विथ बसीम, चायनीज कॅबेज विथ द मस्टर्ड. हेअर जपनीज मस्टर्ड अँड चायनीज कॅबेज गिव्ह द हायर यील्ड ॲट अ फर्स्ट कटिंग. म्हणजे चायनीज कॅबेज अँड जपनीज मस्टर्ड हे पहिल्या कटिंगला जास्त यील्ड देण्यासाठी मदत करतात. देन फोर्थ वन इज अ ॲव्हेन्यू क्रॉप्स. ॲव्हेन्यू क्रॉप्स कसे आहेत की जे क्रॉप्स असतात ते ग्रो करतात फार्म रोडच्या आणि फेन्सेसच्या अलॉंग. एक्झाम्पल असतात अरहर अँड सिसाल एक्सेट्रा. Then fifth one is a border barrier at the guard crop. These crops are helps to protect the another crop from the trespassing of the animals and restrict the speed of the wind. Example is a safflower, thorny oilseed. Guard crop or barrier crop हे क्रॉपचं प्रोटेक्शन करतात फ्रॉम द हाय विंड स्पीड or grazing of the animal etc. The sixth one is a break crops. These crops is helps to break the continuity of the agroecological situation ऑफ द फील्ड अंडर मल्टिपल क्रॉपिंग सिस्टीम. म्हणजे जे मल्टिपल क्रॉपिंग सिस्टीममध्ये जे फील्ड असतात त्याची ॲग्रो इकॉलॉजिकल सिच्युएशन ब्रेक करण्यासाठी हे ब्रेक क्रॉप्स यूज करतात. दिस इज बॉर्डर क्रॉप्स. मस्टर्ड इज अ बॉर्डर क्रॉप अँड ओकरा अँड चिली प्लांटेड ॲज अ बॉर्डर क्रॉप इन मेज फॉर मॅनेजमेंट ऑफ द येल्लो वेन मोझाईक अँड द लीफ कलर. These are the use of the border crops. Then next one is cash crop. Cash crops are helps to grown for a sale to earn हार्ड कॅश अर्न करण्यासाठी कॅश क्रॉप्स यूज होतात. त्यामध्ये मेनली ज्यूट, कॉटन, टोबॅको, शुगरकेन हे स्पेशली येतात. देन कॅच क्रॉप, कंटेजंट क्रॉप और एमर्जन्सी क्रॉप. जे असे कॅच क्रॉप, कंटेजंट क्रॉप्स हे शॉर्ट ड्युरेशन क्रॉप असतात, ज्याच्या कारणाने जर मेन क्रॉप जरी फेल झाला तर कॅच क्रॉपचं इन्कम आपल्याला मिळू शकतं. जे हे क्रॉप असतात ते क्विक ग्रोईंग असतात, युजेबल असतात, हार्वेस्टेबल ॲट एनी टाईम असतात. एक्झाम्पल्स आर द ग्रीन ग्राम, काउपी, ओनियन, उरद एक्सेट्रा. देन क्लिनिंग क्रॉप. क्लिनिंग क्रॉप्स हे असे क्रॉप्स असतात की जे ॲग्रोनॉमिकल प्रॅक्टिसेस करून आपला फील्ड असतो तो क्लीन होतो. एक्झाम्पल पोटॅटो अँड द मेज. हे आहेत कॅच क्रॉप्स. हे आहेत कॅच क्रॉप्स. Then 10th one is a coal crops. Coal crop is derived from the word colewort and it is the ancestor of the wild cabbage. Coal crops are the cold weather crops belong to the crucifery family and capable for withstanding in the frost. Examples are the cabbage, cauliflower, etc. Then 11th is the contour crops. These crops are grown along with the contour lines to protect land from the erosion. Example is a marble glass. We can see the pictures of the contour crops. These are grown along with the contour lines. And these are the coal crop. Broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, knoll, Brussels, etc. Then commercial crop. These commercial crops are similar as like the cash crop because these are crops are grown to earn money also. Examples are the jute, cotton, sugarcane, tobacco, etc. Then cover crop. These crops are protect the soil surface from the erosion through their ground cover, foliage or the root map. Examples are the lobia, groundnut, paragrass, sweet potato, urad, etc. We can see the picture of the cover crop. It helps to protect the soil from erosion. Then 14th is the complementary crops. Each other crops are benefited in intercropping. Example jawar and lobia. Both are benefited in this intercropping. Jawar receive nitrogen from lobia and lobia requires support from the jawar. So therefore these are the benefited to each other. Then competitive crops. Competitive crops means what? These crops are compete with each other for the light, for energy, etc. Therefore these crops are not suitable for the intercropping. Examples are the two cereals. We can see these in the pictures. Competition for nutrient, competition for light. Then supplementary crops. These crops are neither be competitive or nor be complementary. Example is a maize and plus cocoa beans. These are the supplementary crops. Then 17th is the exhaustive crop. These crops leave the field exhaustive after growing. Example is a cereals. Then 18th is the energy crop. These crops are mainly used for to obtain the energy like ethanol and alcohol. Examples are the sugar corn, potato, maize, etc. Then 19th is the falling crops. These crops allow the infestation of weed intensively. Example is a direct seeded upland rice. These are the energy crop. Ricinus, Jatropha, Miscanthus, Populus. These are the used as a energy crops. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel, like and share.